packing up and heading out in about an hour. I'm gonna go fuel up the car and then head to the airport and try and figure out how to return the car. Jenny said that it was a pretty big pain in the butt last time she was here. So fingers crossed that goes pretty smooth. So the other day we got an email while we were staying in the castle that there are strikes going on with Lufthansa. Excuse me. So our flight from here to Frankfurt was canceled. Luckily, I was able to get a hold of United pretty quickly, and they stuck us on a flight from here to Newark, New Jersey over to Denver, not Dublin, and then Denver up to Billings. So we kind of supersede all of Lufthansa and kind of just try to avoid the entire strike. It actually works out a little bit better in our favor because now we have 3 hours to get through customs instead of an hour and 10 minutes in Denver, which I didn't want to say this out loud, but I was pretty nervous about. I didn't think we could do it. So the difference is that instead of flying out at 5 a.m., we fly out at 9 a.m., and then we'll get home at 9 p.m. instead of 5 p.m. Which really stinks for Roy and Jenny, who are working tomorrow. Actually going to work tomorrow. Luckily, I get to work from home, and I canceled all my meetings. That's really good tea. So, yeah. See you in the car.
Joint.
Like what?
On this joint.
Oh my God! Let's go fuel up. Get this show on the road. We just got fueled up. I'm gonna try and attempt to return the rental car. Yeah.
We're really early.
We're super early. Our plane leaves at 9, and it's 6:18 right now.
But we'll be ready.
We'll be ready. We'll have plenty of time to do laps around the airport to find this return.
Watch, it'll be so simple. We made it way difficult.
I'm gonna be really disappointed if it's that easy.
Oh yeah.
No, I won't be disappointed. I'll be very happy.
Just to feel better about it.
I'll bet you $1 though that Roy loses his mind.
I know. Got it.
Well, this will be a good start to that.
Yeah. Yeah.
This car was weird. It didn't have a key or even like a normal fob. It just had this like
Card.
What would you call? Yeah, a card. It's like a hotel key. That if you walked away it would lock, if you came near it unlocked, and it was normal push button start. But on this car there was a parking brake that just automatically would go on every time you put it into park. So that was fun. Oh, I didn't even look in here. There's that handsome man. They didn't have what he wanted. Dang it. Man, look at us lucking out. Just ended up behind the 6th. Watch, she goes to the actual like place.
Well, he's probably gonna go to the front of it, but
what? We'll take it. It's light right.
Yeah.
That was. It was way easier than we expected. But yeah, there's no way anybody could find this. So look for the Irish. What did I have that typed in as?
It's like Irish Dublin.
Oh, I just, yeah. Oh,
we did the Irish.
We
did the Irish Car Rentals Dublin Airport as our option to get in here. So yeah, pick that option and it'll take you right here.
Yeah, so do you know Volkswagen quality?
Did you grab your Cadbury egg?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, here we go. Okay. 15 to 22. We're going through customs right now for America. How strange. How strange. And we're still in Dublin. Time to board.
You bet you're done?
Yeah, thank you. We're not even sitting together, but I'm okay with that because I got an aisle seat.
I'm not okay with it.
I have never taken an escalator to an airplane before.
I have not either. I was a little bit, and then the other one was an elevator. Like,
Help, help. Well, Roy doesn't care about you either, apparently.
yeah, that makes sense. We're all probably tired of each other. I'm not, though. I hope that catches weird on the camera.
Hi, 39D.
Right out right this way.
Okay, it's not gonna kill anybody. Okay, I trust you. We're back in the United States.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is a worse welcome than, you know,
Eva?
when my brother showed up.
Looking for an Eva?
We brought you whiskey.
Yeah.
Her whiskey. We made it. We made it. We made it.
Where did we make it to?
Newark, New Jersey. I've never been to this airport. USA. Okay, so we have to go to Terminal A. Turns out, yeah, customs is already done. We did that in Dublin.
Hell yeah.
So we're just in the airport now.
We just exist.
This is wild.
It's time to go home.
And they let us have whiskey, so, you know.
Whiskey.
That's pretty cool.
Is this one of the ones where we grab our bag?
No, I don't think so. I think it can go straight through. We carry these. So
Yeah,
off to Terminal A? Yes.
Right.
Off to the right. Okay, thank you.
Taking the stairs this time?
I gotta get these steps in. Me? I never take the stairs? Those escalators are scary. Only because I was forced to. Backward stairs.
She's so tough.
Should we run backwards on those?
Whew.
She's so tough. She takes the escalator backwards.
I still have trauma from that. I've never wanted vegetables so much in my life. Oh.
Thanks, Steve.
You're welcome, Colin. We learned something when we came up here to the United Lounge. I was gonna get day passes for everybody, but turns out that since I have gold status, when you're traveling international, you get a free pass into the United Club along with a guest. So that was a nice surprise. So now we're hanging out.
And they have pretty decent food selection.
Yeah, they've got good food. Nice salad, cookies. Roy's having a tart.
Yeah, tart cookie.
Oh no, this tastes like lemon bar.
I'm done, yep.
I probably will too.
Because you know what? Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Huh? Yeah.
It's like, oh wow.
Okay. Time to go catch our next flight to Denver. Whew. I'm impressed. All right. We're headed to Denver. We're not sitting together. We're all split up, but I get the exit row apparently.
Yeah.
Your life is in my hands.
Oh god. So good. Do I have to put my own oxygen on first, right? Then I can help others?
You have to take your mask off first.
Oh, yeah.
And then put the oxygen
Then
mask
put
on.
my mask on. Then I put my other mask on.
And then please walk cautiously and calmly to the exit roads.
Do we help
Located.
the children or just let them go? I mean, it's not like it's a Hippocratic oath or anything.
I mean,
You're You're not a doctor. You're not
See you in
obligated.
Denver.
You're not obligated.
I'm so tired. So tired. I slept, Twitch slept that entire flight. Very handsome.
Smells like Fritos, but like not like the chip, but like dog feet. And I was like, what is happening on this flight?
Jen didn't enjoy her flight either. It was a tough flight. Old plane, tight. Ugh.
Dog feet,
Dog feet smell.
Frito feet.
I think she's just hungry. A22.
No, we're gonna go get some Quiznos. Yay! Mine's a shorter one.
Italian.
Yes.
Oh,
Ooh.
that's a hell of a sandwich.
I'm so excited.
Quiznos. It's a huge. Nice.
Just like the Blockbuster in Bend, Oregon.
Yeah.
The last Quiznos.
Picked up from the ground and handed to me.
The final approach.
Oh, we're so close. So tired. We board in in 7 minutes.
There you go,
We're gonna be home soon.
I need
You're
first
going
boarding every time. I can't do second boarding. Only first.
Can't be with the poor people.
Oh, the pores. Ugh.
Final one. Ay, ay, ay.
They kept running.
Uh-oh.
Whoa!
This is the one time.
Ooh.
Final flight. And it's still light out. That was pretty cool.
Daylight savings.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yeah, we're only doing 6-hour change instead of 7.
Yeah, and we don't have to have the same fight because our time's already off anyways.
Yeah, this is true. So,
I was
Alright.
excited about that.
I'm signing off. Hopefully we'll get our bags when we get to Billings after an hour-long nap. It was a good trip, good company, and yeah, bye!
That great bag is weird.